Greetings. This is a video on how to prepare your own herbs. It's very simple. First thing you want to do is whatever herb you want, just get, let's say, a tea bag amount or 2 tea bags amount of the herb that you want to use. So this is elderberry. Right now I'm making some elderberry tea. That was half of 125 ml. Okay, don't know if you can see that. After you have poured your herb into the cup, you want to take some boiled water and pour it into the cup. And then you would leave that to steep for at least 20 minutes. Give it a stir and then let it steep for 20 minutes. A lot of people would say that what they do is boil the herb itself. That is one way that you can do, yes. However, this way allows the essence of the herb to be drawn out. You know, when you're boiling it, it's almost like you're just continuously heating it up, and it's not getting the chance to the water is not getting the chance to draw out the essence. Okay, I'm not saying that way is wrong. However, this way to me seems a bit more right to me, you know. The conventional tea bags that we use to make our normal tea with our milk, what's in that tea bag? Does anyone know? You know, the commercial ones, what is really inside of those tea bags? What is the tea bag material made from? We don't have the answer to these questions, so we must make our own teas. After you have finished allowing your herbs to steep, you'll get your sieve, and then you'll get your cheesecloth, and then you're going to separate the liquid essence from the herbs itself. And that's that. It's done. That is the liquid essence, and you would drink that, and that's your tea. You don't have to add any sweetener to this. You should drink it as is. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening.